Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a ratio chart in TradingView in 2026 so that you can compare two assets visually. So if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, make sure you check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you explore the offers and hurry up. So first of all, when you are here on tradingview.com, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you just have to click on this search icon, and to create a ratio chart, you need to type two symbols separated by a forward slash. For example, you just have to look for BTC USD backslash. You just have to then look for ETH USD. So once you type it, you just have to simply hit enter and wait for some time until it launch the chart in front of you, just like so. Now, once you see this particular chart, TradingView will instantly generate a ratio chart that divides the first asset by the second. So this particular view lets you see which one is stronger and which one is weaker. If you want to analyze the ratio further, you can add the indicators here, like you can use the moving averages or RSI, just like a normal chart. So here you can apply, let's say, RSI strategy. You can also right click and you can add it into the watch list. So here in the right hand side we have the watch list option. You can add this particular chart here in the watch list so that it will be very easy for you to access it. If the ratio chart looks odd to you, you can make changes into it by clicking on the settings icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. So this way basically you will be able to use ratio charts in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.